right, you guys, we checked on further inland. We haven't checked on the beach yet, and it is still a little bit cloudy, although it looks better now than it did a little bit ago when I checked, so maybe some improvement out there in terms of the cloudiness. Now, today is not going to be the best beach day. I mean, we're going to be in the low 60s all afternoon. We're already there, and it's possible that we're not going to get any warmer over the next few hours, especially if we don't see any of that sunshine and that cold front that passed through. So really, we're looking at a low rip current risk, pretty chilly water temperatures, not that warm air temperatures. For the rest of us, we're going to be right there as well, in the low 60s. Some of us, including in the middle portion of the valley, I'm talking Hidalgo, I'm talking western Cameron County, are still in the upper 50s right now. So there is a chance that a couple of us might not hit 62. I know that Brownsville's at 62 as well as portions of the upper valley. It's also going to be breezy today. Wind gets up to 40 miles per hour for the coast. This evening, we are going to get cold. Okay, we're going to be in the mid to upper 40s by around 8 to 9 p.m. And early tomorrow morning, once again, this is from that cold front that passed through early today. Tomorrow, we're going to be in the 30s. Not as cold as we were last week. We don't have a freeze watch or warning, but the upper valley specifically could reach the low to mid 30s. That is kind of cold. Now, throughout the day, we'll bounce back up to the low 50s. And then Sunday, we haven't seen that in a while. At least I don't think we've seen it in a while. Not this much rain. These are going to be the best rain chances we've seen so far this year, and it all starts on Sunday. So let's take a sneak peek into the next few days, which the main story is going to be this rain. Not only for us, but also for many to the northern portions of the state. The coastal bend to our north, again, is going to get more rain than we are, at least where estimates stand right now. The entire state looking to get more rain than normal for this time of year. This is our 6 to 10 day outlook, which means, yeah, it's going to be raining for a while. Right now, our estimates are around 2 inches for the coast and closer to 1 inch as you move further inland. These are estimates. I say this every time. We could get a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on exactly where you are sitting. But because it is going to be raining from Sunday at least until next Thursday, maybe pushing into Friday, nearly 7 days, we are going to be keeping an eye out for some of that water buildup that we often just have problems with here in the valley. Now, another thing that came out yesterday was our drought monitor. This is where we're starting to see some of those drought conditions in Starr County. So it's not all bad that we're going to be getting so much rain. We haven't received a significant rainfall in a while. But as I mentioned, we're going to be monitoring the situation. Right now, I'm not expecting any major problems, especially with severe weather. We're looking at just your typical rain and some storms. To keep track of all of this, download the Valley Storm Team app. Get a look at your current weather radar alerts for your area. This is going to be super, super helpful next week when we're going to have scattered showers and storms, and it's going to be raining hit or miss. It's going to be really, really helpful to have. Breezy day today, 62 for the high, 39 tomorrow morning. If you have early morning plans, you're going to need a jacket. 55 tomorrow and cloudy.